Welcome to Moneymaker, a platform that's dedicated to enlightening you on the art of generating income while you sleep. Sounds unbelievable? That's the intriguing part. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of passive income, a term that encapsulates the zenith of liberation. The source of income that requires minimal active involvement from your side. Just visualize sowing a seed and then reaping the benefits while you're engaged elsewhere. Such is the charm of passive income. It presents with it to pursue your dreams, indulge in quality time with your dear ones, and witness your bank balance grow simultaneously. This isn't any hocus-pocus or hidden formula, but an idea that, when grasped and implemented correctly, can materialize dreams into reality. Many have already honed this skill, and now it's your chance to do the same. Are you still curious? Excellent, because in this video, we're going to decode the enigma of creating income online. We'll break it down into straightforward, easy-to-follow steps, dissipating any apprehensions or misconceptions you might harbor. You're probably pondering, how does one initiate earning income online? Brilliant query. Stay tuned till the end as Moneymaker unveils our unique opportunity. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights, interesting facts, and tips on passive income. Remember, keep tuning more intriguing facts and guidance on the creation of passive income online. The journey to earning passive income online begins with understanding the basics. So what exactly is passive income in the context of online businesses? Well, it's income that you earn even when you're not actively working. It's making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. There are several ways to generate passive income online, and we're going to touch on a few of them. One of the most popular, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation because you don't have to create a product yourself, and the product owner gets more sales. Next up is selling digital products. This be anything from ebooks to music, photography. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold repeatedly with no additional production costs. It's a fantastic way to monetize your skills and knowledge. Then we have online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and expertise with others? By creating an online course, you can educate others while earning a steady stream of passive income. The best part? You only have to create the course once, and you can sell it over and over. Lastly, let's not forget about ad revenue. If you have a blog or a YouTube channel with a significant number of views, you can earn a decent amount of money from ads. Platforms like Google AdSense pay you every time someone views or clicks on an ad on your site or video. Remember, the key to successful passive income is upfront work. You have to put in the time, effort, and sometimes money to set everything up. But once it's all in motion, you can sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the first step in creating passive income online. And don't forget, for more insights on passive income, be sure to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. The first step to creating passive income online is identifying a niche. A niche is a specialized segment of the market, tailored to meet specific customer needs. It's the intersection of your passions, skills, and the demand in the marketplace. Your niche is your online identity. Imagine you're a key, yours the lock that you fit perfectly into. To discover this niche, start by looking at market trends. What's popular, what's in demand? Next, consider your own interests and skills. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Don't forget to look for gaps in the market, areas where customer needs are not being met. This is where you can truly shine. A profitable niche often lies in these overlooked areas. The beauty of online business is that it can be as unique as you are. You've identified your niche, you're ready to move on to the next step. If you don't know what niche, then you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on finding your niche. The next step is creating a product or service that provides value to your identified niche. In the digital realm, there's a plethora of opportunities to generate passive income. One of the most popular ways is through digital products. For instance, you might consider writing an ebook. If you're an expert in a specific field, sharing your knowledge through a well-crafted ebook can be a lucrative venture. Not only does it position you as an authority, but it also serves as a source of passive income. Online courses are another great option. As more people seek to learn new skills from the comfort of their homes, the demand for online courses is skyrocketing. Whether it's yoga, coding, or baking, if you have a skill that others want to learn, creating an online course could be your golden ticket. Software, on the other hand, is a little more complex, but can incredibly rewarding. If you can identify a problem within your niche that can be solved with software, developing an app or a tool can generate consistent passive income. But remember, the key to creating a successful product or service lies in its quality and its ability to meet a need within your niche. Understanding your audience, their needs, their pain points, and their desires will help you create a product or service that they'll love and, more importantly, pay for. With your product or service ready, you're nearly there. To learn more about creating valuable product services, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The final step is marketing your product or service and making sales. This is the cornerstone of any successful business, and it's no different when it comes to generating passive income online. Marketing is the engine that drives visibility to your product or service, and without it, your chances of success are slim. Let's dive into effective marketing strategies. First, we have social media marketing. In this digital era, platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching a vast audience. By creating engaging content and building a strong online presence, you can attract potential customers and lead them to your product or service. Next, we have email marketing. This strategy involves building a mailing list and sending out regular newsletters or promotional emails. It's a direct line of communication to your audience and can be an effective way to drive sales and repeat business. Finally, let's talk about search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the practice of optimizing your online content so that a search engine likes to show it as a top result for searches of a certain keyword. It's a long-term strategy, but can lead to consistent organic traffic to your product or service. Effective marketing is a game changer. It can lead to consistent sales, which is key to generating passive income. And there you have it, the simple steps to creating passive income online. Don't miss out on our Make More Money online challenge. Here is a bit of what we will offer. 1. Work with the government. Show you access to this niche. 2. Provide you with the system and processes to be successful. And lastly, I will coach you along the way to ensure but you will need to do your due diligence and be persistent. Visit our website at www.moremoneyonlinechallenge.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.